outdoor learning. From the educators, it's related back to the daily outdoor activities, which range from half an hour to an hour, and the focus is actually more on motor skills.
现在我们很多的户外活动都是只是带孩子到户外去走走看看，但是没有就是明确的一个目标。
Outdoor learning is really a vital context for children's holistic development. It provides those opportunities for social development, physical development, emotional development. The Training of Trainers program has really been aimed at building the capacity of teachers to be able to take learning outdoors more than they currently do. If we want children to go outdoors, the teachers themselves need to be willing to go outdoors and join in with the children in those outdoor experiences.
Now the aim is to think about the outdoors as an extension of what happens in the classroom, not just a place that I go and then I come back.
We learned a lot about the theories, the pedagogical underpinnings that goes with outdoor learning, and how that has actually made me reflect and informed about my practices as an educator for the young children.
After attended these 2 days workshops, I feel more confident to encourage my teachers to have more activities outside.
What kind of inhibit us from our desire to bring the children outdoor is the risks that could possibly be involved if you were to bring the children outdoor. But what we have learned in the workshop is that, we could do benefit risk assessment.
我们必须让家长体现到跟我们一起合作的关系。只要家长信任了我们，他们就会帮忙我们把这个做得更成功。
The important thing is to gain the confidence of the parents. As long as the risk assessment is being done, and I believe the parents will be assured that their kids are being well taken care of.
This is a unique opportunity for this to be a learning journey for both teachers, but also for parents in sharing that information and rethinking about outdoor learning and its benefits in a very different way.